Hi everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. And I have a new box for the channel. I think maybe I've gotten it once before. I mean, I'm pretty sure I have, but I can't say that 100%. Like there's something in my mind that I'm kind of remembering. I think I got in this box. I'm gonna have to go back and look at my videos. But what we have here is, oh, there's a spider. Oh, and it's alive. Oh no, I'll be right back. I'm back. I think I saved him. I don't know where he went, but I didn't see him not saved. So, but everything is out of the box. So I had to take stuff and shake it. I don't like spiders. And when I first saw it, it was kind of like all curled up, and I really thought that it had passed away until it started moving. Then it was alive. Okay, all right, let me start over. Okay, so the Abode box. It is a quarterly subscription. This theme for this quarter is the reset ritual. So there were some items in this box that we were able to customize, which is always nice. Trying to find where my little cutter thing went. I was doing so good keeping track of that thing too. Let me get this. Okay. So I'm going to get my grade school scissors with the round edge. And we're just going to start going here. So this box was $139 and there was $10.50 of shipping. So I'm waiting for the spider just to come running across. But so the first item we got to pick, we got 2 shower steamers. I believe it was lavender was one option, but I selected the eucalyptus. And they smell really good because I could actually even smell them outside, like when the box was still wrapped. So here we go. So they are wrapped together. Normally I wouldn't like that in a shower steamer, but these things are so potent that I think it's fine for, one to be left unopened or one to be opened while you use the other one. I think it'll be fine because they are very strong here. So that is our first item. The second item right here. Okay, and I will say, it looked much bigger in the pictures, but it is very cute here. So it looks like this was handmade, and there's etching on the back with the name. It's kind of hard, but it's cute. Like, it's really, really cute. So look at that little trinket dish. There is some like gold color right there. I don't know if you can see that. So it's not around the whole dish. It's kind of difficult, but yeah, that is very cute. Smaller than I thought, but it is very cute. And it's raised, like if you feel it, it's raised. That's very cute. Okay. Next, let's open this. And I will say, we are very lucky that this thing is not broken because as I was doing everything I was doing outside, like what was in it fell out. So we are very lucky it did not break. This, we were also able to pick the scent we wanted, and it is a reed diffuser. So oil diffuser from Porter Lane Home. So it was, let me put this back on here so you can see. It was very cute before I disrupted it. I can get it. Well, I can't get it back on. But the scent that I selected was Bloom. So it is Marine, Moss, and Gardenia scent. And it is a very nice size bottle. Let's see here. So yes, Porter Lane Home Candle Company. And the scent Bloom. All right, so that is that item. And we have our little reeds there. I guess. Oh, okay, now I remember. Because I'm looking at this going, I don't remember, like, what that is, because it's heavy. But, okay, let's just carry on, Terry, carry on. This item, I really like. You were able to pick two different finishes, or you were able to pick from two different finishes. The only thing I don't like is it's such a popular item. I believe she said she was going to try to get more because this is something I need to. Some people, like in their homes, it would fit in just having one, but for me, I really need two. But show you. Is that what it's supposed to look like? So it is a wall sconce. There we go. I thought there was something else to it. Maybe not. But still, I digress here again. I really like it. I just want two. I just want another one so I can have a pair. So I'm going to have to be very strategic in where I place this. And this might be one of those items I have to hold just a little while until I find the right place for it. But you know, now that I think about it, this would go very well with items that I get in my free spirit bundle box. This would go perfectly actually with those items. So really like it. The other one was black. And if I'm remembering correctly, the black one was actually going faster than this one. So I need to get out onto her site. I don't believe she wasn't selling these outright yet, but I seem to recall that she had made a post that, hey, things are going quickly. The black one is being selected more. So the next item here was also something that we were able to select. And let me show you here. I remember like the main item that we got to pick, but I forgot that we also got what it comes in. So that's why the box is so big. Okay. No, hold on. You guys, I think I get my boxes mixed up. Yes, I'm getting my boxes mixed up. Again, it's something that happens when you get too many boxes. Now I know why this is so heavy. And now that I see it, I remember it. So this was not an item we got to pick. We got to pick the scent for the reed diffuser. We got to pick the finish of the wall sconce. And we got to pick the steamer scent. This was one that we got what we got. Because it's, I believe, the same thing for everybody. All right. And it is it a planter? I think you can use it as a planter. Okay, so terracotta. The Italian word for baked earth, terracotta, is an earthenware that is as versatile as it is beautiful. Molded and fired, it can be left unfinished to display its warm, rich color, or glazed and painted. So when I'm looking at this, because at first I'm like, can it be a planter? And it can. You can plant something in this because I pulled out the little plug So it does have a drain in it, so you can use it as a planter. Put that in there. So this actually goes along very nicely with another item I got from the Free Spirit bundle box. So yeah, love it. So I didn't say, but this is from, was it Home Art? Yes, Home Art is where this came from. So that is our ritual reset box from the Abode box. So again, this is $139 plus shipping of $10.50. So let's talk about value. Ooh, if that will stay up. That's not wanting to stay up. There we go. Okay. Value. To procure, to buy the, I was gonna say to procure, to buy these outright, these are not cheap. So this one item, I would say if you just went and bought it, you're going at $50, I would say, just for that. This, I think too, would be, gosh, at least 50, maybe 55 at least. So just those two items, I do think we got our value here. I like the curation. I think these go well together. I think this is a cute little trinket dish. I mean, this, to be honest, I think this was just, you know, a bonus, a throw-in item. Regardless, I love the scent of it, and I'm going to highly enjoy it. So I think this is a really good box. I'm happy. Again, these are things that I would not buy on my own, but I love that I got them. And that's what's something so nice about these subscription boxes is, you know, it's exposing you to different things, and it's getting you to kind of like maybe get out of your normal style. So yeah, love it. Okay, well, there you go. There's another unboxing. So I presented to you the reset ritual. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope all is going well, and you guys take care. Bye, everyone.